The regional center of the India Meteorological Department has issued a warning for heavy rainfall in 4 districts of Odisha today. Going by the forecast, a yellow warning has been issued for Koraput, Rayagada, Gajapati and Mayurbhanj, where there are chances of thunderstorm. However, the thunderstorm activity will intensify from March 27th. As per reports, on March 27th and 28th, there is a warning about the possibility of rainfall in most of the districts of Odisha. Several districts will experience isolated thunderstorm with lightning and isolated hailstorm, while gusty surface wind reaching 40 to 50 km per hour is also predicted. Meanwhile, a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from March 30th, informed the IMD on Saturday. As per the weather agency, under the influence of two fresh active western disturbances from March 30 to April 2 and from April 2 to April 4 respectively, several parts of the country will experience widespread rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms, hailstorms and lightning, mostly over the western Himalayan region and adjoining plains of north, central and eastern India. Bureau Report, OTV News.